And I know the words. I really know the words. I practice them at home. I hear them in videos. I repeat them in my head.
But when it's time to speak, everything feels different.
Yes, when it's my turn, my body reacts first, before my mind does.
What do you feel?
My heart feels fast, not a little fast, very fast. My hands feel cold. My shoulders feel tight,
That physical feeling is strong.
very strong. And then my head goes quiet. Not slow, not confused, just quiet.
Like someone closes a door.
Exactly. I want to speak. I know I can speak, but my body doesn't feel ready.
That space between knowing and speaking is hard.
Yes, and when people are waiting, it feels even harder.
Waiting changes the moment.
It does. I feel small. Not because I am small, but because the moment feels heavy.
And you start asking yourself questions.
I do. I think, why is this so hard? Why do I freeze like this?
Because it matters to you.
Yes, it really matters.
You know something?
What?
This happens to many people, more than we think.
Many people?
Not only beginners, not only learners,
Even people who speak English every day.
even us.
Even now, we still feel it sometimes.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, welcome.
I'm Jane,
I'm Ben.
and today we talk about speaking English when your body feels nervous and your mind goes quiet.
This feeling is very normal.
And you are not alone. Before we continue, just listen.
You don't need to speak yet.
You don't need to understand everything.
Relax your shoulders. Relax your breath.
We will repeat later.
Take your time.
So, Ben, you're at the cafe now.
Yes, I'm standing in line.
What does the cafe feel like?
It feels warm. There is quiet music. I hear cups and voices. People talk softly.
Does that help you feel calm?
A little, but my body still feels tense.
What are you doing while you wait?
I'm holding my phone. I'm not using it. I just hold it.
To give your hands something to do?
Yes, my hands feel cold. I rub my fingers together.
I do that too when I feel nervous.
I look at the menu again, even though I already looked.
Your eyes move, but your mind feels full.
Very full. There are too many choices. Coffee, tea, juice, different names.
That can make a simple moment feel hard.
Yes, and I can feel people behind me. I don't see them, but I feel the pressure.
That invisible pressure on your back.
Exactly. I take a slow breath. I tell myself, it's okay. This is just coffee.
That thought helps you stay there.
It does. Now it's my turn. The worker looks at me.
Do they rush you?
No, they smile. Just a normal smile.
That small kindness matters.
It really does. They say hi.
A small word, but it helps.
I say hi. My voice is soft, but clear.
Clear is enough.
I feel my feet on the floor. I take one slow breath. Then I speak.
What do you say?
I say, can I get a coffee? I say it slowly. I don't rush.
That takes courage.
After I say it, my body relaxes a little.
Because you started.
Yes, the first sentence is always the hardest.
Always.
The worker says, sure, and that one word feels very good.
It feels safe.
Yes. Then they ask, hot or cold?
That question again.
Yes, but now it feels easier. I pause. I think. I say, hot, please.
Short and clear.
My shoulders drop. I feel calmer. Then I remember the sandwich. I almost forget again.
That happens often.
I say, and a sandwich, please. My voice feels stronger now.
You can hear the change.
Yes, people are still waiting, but I don't feel the pressure anymore.
Because you are already speaking.
Exactly.
Let's listen again. Just listen.
Can I get a coffee?
Hot, please.
And a sandwich, please.
Now, take your time. Your turn. Can I get a coffee?
Hot, please.
And a sandwich, please. Now let's move to another place.
Work?
Yes, morning at work.
That can feel hard too.
Very hard. I walk into the office. The lights are on. People are quiet. Everyone looks busy.
That silence feels heavy.
Yes, I see my coworker at their desk, looking at a screen.
Do they look serious?
Very serious, focused, not smiling.
That makes speaking harder.
It does. I stop. I think, do I say something or do I wait?
That moment again.
My heart feels a little fast. Not too fast, but I notice it.
Your body speaks first again.
Yes. I smile. I take one breath. I say, good morning.
Soft voice?
Soft, but clear.
Clear is enough.
They look up. They smile. They say, good morning.
That response feels warm.
It does. I feel lighter. I say, how are you?
A small question, but very human.
They pause. They say, I'm okay.
A very normal answer.
I say, same, and smile.
That one word connects you.
Yes, the moment ends, but it matters.
Small talk matters.
Very much. Let's say that again.
Good morning. How are you?
Same. Now let's say it together.
Good morning.
Your turn.
How are you?
Your turn.
Same.
Your turn. Good job. Take your time. When we look at these moments, they're not big moments.
But they are important ones.
Speaking English is not one big moment.
It is many small moments.
Small words, small steps.
Small courage.
If your body feels nervous, that does not mean you are bad at English.
It means you care.
And caring is a good thing.
You are doing something brave.
Every time you try. You did very well today.
Really well.
Thank you for listening with us.
Take your time. Go slowly.
Thank you for listening with us.
Take your time. Go slowly.
One small question before we go. Where do you feel nervous speaking English?
At a cafe? At work? Somewhere else.
We are proud of you.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.